am Bashir Usman from the Department of Mass Communication here in Skyline University Nigeria. We have just attended a workshop that trained staff how to use smart television. You know, these days technology is growing fast, and we cannot but to join the growing digital world in the teaching and learning process. So this smart television is put in place in classes for lecturers in the university to use them in teaching students. They are very good. The training was educative and fantastic.
Here it brought one small keyboard for you.
I am Dr. Samin Umar, currently working with the Department of Mass Communication, Skyline University Nigeria. And I'm privileged to attend a training organized by the IT department of the Skyline University on how to use Smartboards. You know, one good thing with Skyline University Nigeria is that they always update facilities, and it is toward this direction that new smart boards were procured and installed in various classes, and that is why the training was organized, and the training was very fantastic and well organized and timely, and I'm really happy I attended and I learned a lot.
My name is Ali Ibrahim Suleiman, IT Support Executive, Skyline University Nigeria. We just concluded a training with faculties which I trained them on how to use smart TV, interactive display, sound service desk and other IT related services. The session is very awesome. Everybody enjoy it. Thank you all.